There we go. Okay, good morning, everyone. Thank you for coming to join us today. I'm Cindy Moline. I am the owner of Back to Your Roots Soil Solution. We also have Greg Moline in the group as well. He's the owner of Hybrix Manufacturing. And Thomas Koenen is sitting in front of you. Hopefully everybody can see him. He is from Germany. He's in Austria right now on one of the farms he's working with. Thomas is going to be doing 3 Zoom meetings with us today, 2 weeks from now, and then I think it's the 7th of March as well. And what he's going to be doing is explaining and going over what he's working on right now. It's some pretty exciting stuff. So Thomas's background, his passion is cows, Holsteins in particular. He quit his job as a certified hoof trimmer 10 years ago to pursue soil biology full time. And he travels a lot and has worked on many different projects. The goal of all the efforts is that agriculture must change, whether it's not whether it will, it has to change. However, these changes must be simple, flexible, and implementable with as little effort as necessary, because we all know how we get into those routines where it's hard to break out of them. He came across us, I guess you contacted Glenn down at Soilworks and they put you up here to Greg and we guys started talking. Thomas has been here twice, I think, to come, or just once. He came that summer, twice. Yeah. He came and hung out with Greg, and then he was here in Saskatoon. We went to a conference, microbiology conference here in Saskatoon. And over the last, it's got to be, well, it's before COVID, so it's got to be close to 3 years. We've been back and forth and talking. Thomas is doing some phenomenal stuff, sends lots of information, educates, knows people all over the world. So if you have any questions, I'm sure he'd be able to help you find some answers and that type of stuff. So he works with Back to Your Roots and Hybrix Manufacturing. We're going to be, like I said, we'll do these meetings and kind of get some information out to people on building the best compost and getting that soil working and getting the soil microbes working and building better food. Thomas sends a lot of emails every day, or not emails, but text messages and things like that. And the message that I've taken it away is the soil is the solution to pretty much every problem out there. If we can get it working and get it healthy and doing its job, there's not too much that we can't accomplish. So with that, you're in Austria right now?
Yeah, with on one of the farms, on the farm with Hansi and Catherine. Yep. Okay,
so I have a bio of their farm, and I'm just going to go over it briefly. If you'd like to know, we're going to put it up on the website so you can read more about it and be familiar with what you're seeing. It's been a family farm for a long time. Catherine and Hansi are officially the youngest generation that's been on the farm. 1995, it was a typical mixed farm, as we were talking about, in addition to dairy farming with its own rearing and cattle fattening. Pigs were fattened and over 100 chickens. Hansi's brother had some medical issues, and in 1995, and the parents decided to switch to pig fattening and invested in new stables that were gradually renovated and expanded. Today, they have about 44 hectares, and that would be roughly 88 acres, like we do in Canada here, of arable land, cultivating corn, wheat, and barley as feed for the pigs. To complete the crop rotation, sugar beet and soybeans are added. They currently have 675 fattening pigs, with 260 fattening spaces still accounted for by the old full and partial slat system, 338 fattening places in the outdoor climate animal welfare barn that we built in 2019, and 70 fattening places located in mobile tent housing since December of 2021. They do not have, or we do not have our own pig farm. The piglets come from a breeder, and they have a partner that lives about 3 kilometers away that is a brother-in-law, works with them. I'm going to turn this over to Thomas, and he can talk about what he's doing, and go ahead, and I'll turn it over to you, and thank you for your time.
You make the slides from this farm, please.
Sure. Which one would you like first?
From Hansi, please.
Okay. One.
The other one, please.
The other one? Okay, just a moment.
Yeah.
Fun.
Oh, we will start with this farm. Let's go. We will start with this farm.
This one here, like the
yeah. Oh. This is the starting point with his fattening pigs in the mobile houses, and
okay.
So it was 2020. I was in Austria and at a conference and explained the soil, the earth, the method from Elaine, the microbiology, of the importance of microbiology, and okay, and yeah, I meet the guy from Hoopman. And after a short time, we make a tour here. We visit on some pig farms to learn a little bit from other pig farmers and what's the stand for new pig houses. And yeah, we have seen lots of mistakes, and it's too much money for too high a cost for, you cannot, it's not flexible, it's too high in the cost. And animal welfare barn, when you build an animal welfare barn, we here in Europe, it's around 2,000, 2,400 euro, and for only fattening pigs, and it will never pay back. Yeah. What you see, it's the family where I stay right now. It's Hansi, his wife, and the youngest daughter. Please, the next one. Next slide, please. This is the farm. You see in the front the old buildings. In the back, the machine shed, and in the where you see the silo, there's the newest animal welfare barn. He built it in 2019, and it was just finished. And Thomas Koenen, his brother, and I was on this tour, and we have seen this barn and told, oh, that's a nice way to burn the money. And and yeah, and it was he was pretty excited about the stuff what the Hoopmans do with the tent, and pretty fast he visited the farm from the Hoopmans. Next slide, please. Yeah, you see the newest barn, the machine shed. Yeah, next one. Yeah, this is a machine shed. Yeah, you see, it's the newest standard in pig fattening. You can come up here. In pig fattening, but it's only 1.2 square meter. And yeah, it's standard right now here in Europe, and the industry tell the farmers, please build this one. It's the future of pig fattening. Next one, please. Yeah, you see the feeding troughs. They get the mixed feeding. Next one, please. Yeah. The back one, you can, when it's little bigger pigs or smaller pigs, you can change this board back and forth. Yeah, next one, he will put straw in. Yeah, you see, it's for fattening, actually for normal fattening barn, it's pretty good. Yeah, but the investment, it's too high. For return on investment, it's too high. Next one. Yeah. Yeah. But he is 30 years old, and yeah, it's the standard. And when you don't know something new, you do this one, this go this way, what the industry told you. Yeah. Next, please. Yeah. This is a compost place. He already composted, but I told him a little bit, yeah, give him a little bit of advice. We go, the next session will be, the next meeting will be on composting, deeper to get the highest quality of compost and the cycle. From my background, I had the privilege to work with 2 students. They had the bachelor degree for composting, and both of I helped them and they explained how it goes. And I will show the numbers. When you follow the rules, you get more fungi pretty fast in your compost, and this is the most important point. Next one, please. Yeah, next one, please, Cindy.
Yeah, there we go.
Yeah, here you see it. It's only some pictures from a compost pile, and yeah, next one. Yeah, you see, it's a nice area, and I hope when you can travel, you will take a plane and come over, and I will show you this area in live. Yeah, next one. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. Next. Yeah. Here you see how yeah, it's a little bit, he put a little bit of soil in it, but I told him don't do it anymore. Yeah. Next one. This is why it looks a little bit here. Yeah. This is an experiment from him. On one side, the normal tomatoes, and on the other side, the quality with a quality compost or with a compost tomato. I think a little bit different. Yeah. Next one.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. Next one. Yeah. Yeah, you see, I think until the end, it's pretty, yeah. And here is take the manure in a cover crop. How old this cover crops? 3 months, and put 2 months old. It's a mix of cover crops, and on the bottom he puts 4 to 6 tons of compost into this field. Yeah, next one, please. Yeah. Yeah,
that's a cedar, Thomas, isn't it?
Yeah, this is the cedar. He already do a little bit testing of no-till drilling, but yeah, it's success. It's working, and he try, and yeah. But the biggest point is when you go to no-till, and it's a cold turkey, and you have to fix the soil first. Bring the life to the soil. When the life is in the soil, the no-till is the best method. But we are so deep in trouble with the soil, and for me, always the question was, when somebody say, okay, go no-till, and no-till is the best, and the problem is with no-till, when you go no-till and the neighbors see what you're doing, the social pressure is so high the financial pressure is high when you harvest your grain, and you have 20% less in the combine. It's not an easy game, and I think when you go no-till with the biology, it's you have seen some pictures from and I will show some pictures next time with the result of the Hoekmans farm, what we have done with the compost, with a biology active compost, and how low you can go with nitrogen inputs, how low and how high you get the whole harvesting of the tonnage. Yeah. Next one. Yeah, here you see the newest project here this is the tent. And this is for me the most important point is it's an easy setup. You have the fence around. Sorry. You have a fence around, double fence, one fence for security, one electric fence, and you have this set up in 30 minutes. You have the whole setup for 70 pigs. Yeah, and he has the chance. Here are the slotted floor barn. Here the animal welfare barn. And here the outside, the mobile pig fattening. And we go from one barn to another barn. It's you see the difference in the pigs. You see the difference in the body condition of the pigs. It goes better and better. And the muscles on the pigs outside, it's unbelievable how big they are, how big and how easy they are in this tent. And it's go back to nature. It's for nature, and you can put everything in. When you have an old silo, or you can feed them with silo, and here's the grain bin. Unlimited, and you can put everything in here. Yeah, next one. Yeah, it's here. You see the for biosecurity. You see the tent. You see the fence, and yeah, and it's southeast. And you have no problems with some ammonia, or it's actually when somebody say, "Oh, the pigs outside, it smell." No. I will show next time some pictures from the other farm where when you put the pen away, how the shit look like. Yeah, next one. Yeah. I hope that you see the bales are in. It was snow. You see the snow, and yeah, the pigs like it. It's the best way you can handle the pigs. Yeah, it's the natural way. Next one. Yeah. And the veterinary was, I think, a week or two ago, they was here. They want visit this or want look for the pigs and for the regulation. And actually only 15 minutes, he was 3 hours to enjoy the pigs and the behavior of the pigs. Next one. Yeah, I think the pictures tell you everything. It's when you find a pig looks like this with this happy face in a slotted barn, I think you have to look a long way. Next one, please. Yeah, here. Yeah, next. It's how many times you put it on? 1 week. Once a week. Once a week you fill it up, and that's it. Yeah, and you have you have nothing to control the lights or the ventilation. The barn cannot burn. Yeah, it's too easy. It's yeah. Next one. Yeah.
That almost looks like a smile, Thomas.
Yeah, it's the last one. No. Next one.
Next one.
Yeah. You see here, they make their own what do you call this? Their own. You can go into this. We will explain this in the third webinar, and the final sort of the numbers. It's when something looks nice, it has to be practical, and it has to be a final. Before you go green, you have to be black. But I heard so many stories about to change agriculture. For me, is first of all, it has to be final, so stable. Really, it has to be a good income. When you have not a good income, it's not a fun game. Next one. Yeah.
Nice.
And I think the package and the meat quality tells a lot. Next. Yeah. And the farmers, this is the picture, the farmers has it in the hand to make the planet to a paradise. Only the farmers, not any NGO or some politics. Only the farmers has to can change the soil. Yeah, next one. Yeah, this is the final pictures, and I think I hope the pictures that you take the next ticket when it is possible to come over to Austria. Yeah.
Beautiful.
You can change it to the other farm, please. Yeah.
Okay. Where am I here?
Thank you. And the point is, for me, it was always the question when I meet people in the industry, they tell you a lot. And my question was, when it's so good, why you get not everybody on board? Something has to be wrong, or something has to be not so perfect as he tells in this moment. And yeah, you know, many people in the industry, and you cannot go to a farmer and tell him you have to change your whole system, because it's not the right way. When you tell them, okay, you look to produce a good compost, this is the foundation for everything on your farm. The compost is the foundation of your farm. And for me is how I can find a way to produce a high quality compost in an easy way, with less work, in this system, the compost will be better and better and better every time. And it's the pigs. The pigs are a tool of the farm. We are not interested. Our interest is not to fattening the pigs. Our interest is to get the whole stuff, the whole organic matter on the farm, to put it to the pigs, and the pigs come in this pen. The fattening pigs come in the pen and stay in the pen until they are finished. You have only to put the whole stuff in. You have never to clean the pig pen, and you can stay. You will see. Take the slides. I will show some pictures here. Yeah, here, this is the area where right now, yeah, that you see where we stay, actually here a little bit further, but here's the farm from the Hoopmans. Next one. Yeah, this is the temperature and the rainfall. And yeah, next one. Here you see it's an easy setup. Yeah, it's 4 tents in an from 9 in the morning until 12. You can set up this stuff. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's 6 tent. How many pigs are there? 400. Yeah, 400 pigs. You put the whole stuff together in the morning, and in the afternoon the pigs can come. How you can build a pig barn faster and flexible. Yeah, next one, please.
Oops. There. Sorry.
This is the family. This is Thomas, Andreas, his wife, and 2 sons and 1 daughter. And you see the pigs are pretty happy. And what we have seen in this pig barn, sometimes you have some pigs that are not actually the highest quality. Every pig goes to the slaughter in a high quality because they have a lot of exercise here and they get hemp and shoulders. You see here, maybe somebody is here and knows a little bit more from pigs when you see the hemp. Yeah, next one. And this you see this is right in the corn. Yeah, they make a corn in and the pigs come in after 30 minutes, everything is done. Here's a silo, rye and hairy veg silo. Yeah, and we cut the silo 15 centimeter high. Yeah, because for the quality, and bale them. Next one. Yeah, and you see it's easy, an easy setup. And next one. And we always we take wood chips on the bottom, and we put the old wood chips in on the bottom, because one is to capture the carbon to nitrogen, but it's not only the carbon nitrogen, it's more the fungi, where you will see next time more pictures when the tent is away, how the whole stuff looks. And when the pigs are out 1 or 2 days later, you go and it's the shit is dry, but you look and you see already the fungi in the bottom, or in this pig shit. Yeah, next one, please. Next one, Cindy. Cindy? Okay. Okay, thanks. Yeah, you see, okay, you see here, it's not the nicest weather here. Yeah, and the pigs are not so stupid. They stay inside and they come out when it's the rain stops. And yeah, the next one, please. And yeah, you see here the pigs. Yeah, how the muscling looks in this area. And when you see the slotted floor pigs, they don't look so nice. And yeah, and for me is in the end why we don't like the pigs on a pasture. First of all, it takes too much time. Next is it's not, you cannot change with some pigs on a pasture the pig fattening. It's not possible. Yeah, and on the end, we after 4 months we take 3 rounds in a year, and around at his farm we talked already, or we talked in the morning about the weight gain. It's around 850 to 950 gram, yeah, a day they make. Yeah, next one. And you see here, this is a little bit, I think this is fattening, this is finish, right? Yes. Yeah, it's near finishing. And yeah, you can put fresh corn in. Yeah, in what barn you can put so much stuff in, and yeah, you have no problems with your manure machine or something else. It's, yeah, you can feed the pigs whatever you find. Yeah, next one. Yeah, and actually, when this is a picture, I think a year ago. Yeah, I think a year ago. Right? Yeah, and right now, when the pigs are finished, they are so high with the manure. Yeah, it's pretty high, 20 centimeter higher as here. And you see here, the pigs have no problems with the sun. No sunburn. They know how to cool it. Yeah, how to cool this. Yeah, next one. Yeah, here this is the agriculture minister. Yeah, and the camera team. And yeah, you see how, next one. Yeah, and I think not so many people come so close to in a pig barn to a pig and have this smile on her face and stay at this place and yeah, and with his clothes. Yeah, with his clothes. Yeah, thanks. Next one. Yeah, and here you see the politics are not, yeah, they are excited because we have actually right now we have 3 square meters per pig in this tent. And when you build an animal welfare barn, you're actually around 5,000 euro. And for 5,000 euro, you cannot build a tent. And you have the problems with the manure, with yeah, and here you have, when the pigs are leaving, you have the foundation for the composting. Next one. Yeah, and here you see we speak with everyone. Yeah, next one. Yeah, and here you see, here it's snowing. Here it's winter. Yeah, you see the pigs are really happy, and there's a playing ground, and where you find this playing ground in another, yeah, in another fattening place, or yeah, next one. Yeah, I think the pictures tells a lot here. Yeah, and you see the muscle here from the pigs. It's, yeah, next. Yeah, here. You see this pigs, it's first of all really happy, and when somebody is here with knowledge about pig, how the pigs are, the condition of the pig, it's, I think it's, I see you in a slaughter floor today, and yeah, it's different. It's really different because the pigs, and the feed efficiency, we will go deeper for the feed efficiency in the next session, in the last session. But you will see the numbers, and yeah, it's not so bad. Yeah, next one. Yeah, the winter, the pigs like the winter, and no problems with some longs or something else. No. And how many pigs you had in this time? 3,000. Around 3,000, 3,500 around in this pen, and they have not so they lose how much? 3 pigs. Yeah, it's nothing. It's nothing. Yeah, next one. Yeah, and this is the newest project. When you go back. The black ones. This is the Andreas and Thomas, and they yeah, you see the muscling of the pigs, and I think it's not a bad idea to go back, not more. We have the order in the pig barns, or the problem with ammonia and something. These problems are biology problem, and we never ever can fix this with some technician or some technical stuff. We have to go back and make it simple, easy. Yeah. And this is, I think, and flexible, and this is the way we have to go. Next one, please. Yeah, this is the newest project. They try, or yeah, they will. The idea is these are 3 male and 1 male and 3 female, and they stay in a group forever. Yeah. And they will get the pigs, and they will breed by its own, and you have only to harvest the fattening pigs. Next one. Yeah. Yeah, here you see, and after they have 35 square meter right now, and when the Borg are go around, the females will follow him. Yeah, it's already a herd. Yeah, it's natural instinct. Yeah, next one. Yeah, and when you see this, I think you can. It's not the pig meat; it's the whole circle. You have to understand what we made in agriculture to take everything apart. Yeah, milk production and fattening pigs, and make a lot of efficiency. But it looks we are efficient, but we are on a really bad track. And I think, what you see right now with the fertilizer prices, we will never go back. Yeah, and what I don't know what's going on in Canada, but I think the environment protection groups, they make a lot of stress, and we as a farmer can heal the planet, and not any NGO. And with this system, with the pigs as a working tool at the farm to produce a really high quality compost, fungi dominated compost. Next one. Yeah, and they have a lot of fun. Yeah, yeah. Next. Yeah, here you see the tent is away, and everything stays. Yeah, and you see here the white stuff here. the white stuff is already fungi. This is not mold or something, it's fungi. It's already fungi, yeah. And you pile it, next one. Yeah, you pile it and mix it, and after, next one. After 18 days, it's done. Yeah, it's already done. Yeah. Yeah, here on this picture, yeah, it was yeah, a mistake. I told him never ever do it again, because he put fresh grass on, because somebody told him, please put fresh grass on for the worst linear compost pile. And after that, he had so much power, and he can turn it, because to get the temperature down 5 times a day. Wonderful. Congratulations. Yeah. But when you do it once, you're not stupid. It's a learning process. Yeah. But I told him, listen my advice and not somebody else. Yeah. Next one. Feed the pigs. Feed the pigs the grass. They have fun. Yeah. You have not so much work. And he has seen it. And next one. And with the compost pile right here, you see how easy it is, yeah, to clean it up, yeah. It's and when you have a slotted floor barn, next one. When you have a slotted floor barn, you have a lot of cleaning work, and in this barn you will not stay longer as necessary. Yeah, next one. Yeah, and it's easy to handle. Next place, cover crops on the field, put it down, and the pigs can come after 30 minutes. You are finished with next step. Next one. Yeah, right in the corn, the pigs can come and take it down. And next one. Yeah, I think yeah, we have to, yeah, back to nature. Get the pigs. You see how happy the pigs are, and how the muscling of the pigs, how they look. Yeah, and this is an arrangement not from the farmer. The pig has done it. Yeah, not the farmer. The pigs has done it already. Yeah, they organize it. Yeah, next one. Yeah, and you see here, I think it's on the end, yeah, to have a really high quality, tasty meat, you have to look for the potential of the pig and to fattening the pig the right way, to have the pig not to hunger, not that the pigs are not got hungry, to get the pig the genetic potential what the pigs has, to feed the genetic potential from the pigs. Yeah, next one. Yeah, this is how they sell the pig, the cuts. Yeah, next one. Yeah, we will talk about this selling point in the last webinar. Yeah, next one. Yeah, and when you see it's the loin, and when you see here you have intermuscular fat in the loin. It's, yeah, next one. Yeah, here you next. If you want. Yeah, and it's not a special breed. It's a normal breed. It's a normal breed. It's a mixed breed, And when you see the marbling in this neck, I think it's not a really bad way. Next one. Yeah, this is next. Yeah, I think you get a little bit of taste of how it can go in agriculture. It has to be fun, but when it's be fun, it's you have to be, yeah, you have to be a good income. Next one. Yeah. Next. Yeah. And I hope, Cindy, you enjoy us pretty soon. Yeah. Next one. Yeah. This is another point. This of the chicken. You see here, an easy on a field. They put the chickens on the field and take the chickens pretty fast over the field. Yeah. And egg production. Next one. Yeah, and the eggs go right in the package from the chicken barn right in the package and sell. Yeah, not some special things to do. Yeah, next one. Yeah, I think it's a nice area. Next one. And yeah, here is the selling point. We will explain this in the last webinar. How they sell the products and how they have arranged the whole system. Yeah, next one. Next one. Yeah, here they do no-till. Yeah, no-till drill. Next one. And here the same with with what is it? Soybeans or yeah, in soybean they drilled soybeans right in, and not so many, no herbicide, no pesticide, or no spraying anymore. That's it. Next one. Yeah, and that's it. That's it. This is the two farms, and yeah, I hope you have a little bit, yeah, you get a little bit taste of next one, because this was only the session to show with these two farms where I work with, and how easy to fattening pigs, and it's not for the fattening for the pigs, it's for the compost. It's actually for the compost. Yeah, yeah. Cindy, you are. Yeah.
There. We have one question there, Thomas. How often do you move the outdoor pens?
What do you mean? How often? How often?
Do they move the outdoor pens often? So what I saw is once the pigs are gone, they take the compost out and make it wherever.
That's it. That's it. That's it. It's no, let's say you have a pen, you put 70 pigs in, the pigs stay, you feed, the trough is for once a week, you fill up the trough, you give them silo, straw, everything, wood chips, and when the pigs are finished after 4 months, you take the tent away and you clean it up and you take it on another place. That's it. Yeah, yeah. It's not so much work, I think. Yeah. Next one.
Are there any more questions? We've got some hungry people here, Thomas.
Oh.
That's good. Does anybody else have any other questions or anything, any comments or anything you'd like to make?
You can unmute you and take the question directly.
Yeah, just unmute yourself and go there.
Yeah.
Nothing? No?
No questions? Come on.
No foxes there where you had the chickens running loose?
No, no foxes and no problems actually with this. No.
Predators.
No.
It's good.
No.
I got one question.
Yeah.
Well, maybe I should start this video. What are you feeding the pigs in that green feeder? What do you put in there?
Oh, a normal mix feeding ration. And I actually a friend of, to keep it really simple, yeah. They come from a commercial background to put how you call it, corn and soybeans and alfalfa meal and or something. Actually, my idea is for the future to put only corn in and give them a good bale of alfalfa silo or silo mix, and that's it. Yeah, but it's a hard way to train a pig guy to step and make it simple, to make it really simple, because I have never seen a pig in the forest to get some supplements. Yeah, no, in the forest, and they grow pretty good. Yeah, yeah, and right now, or they had last year at the harvest time, they had the end. You fattening them around 4 months, and at the last 2 months they get only corn and silo because they are too busy to make everything the right setup. And they told me, Thomas, it's unbelievable, they grow the same way. I don't know why. Yeah, take it simple, please, take it simple. Yeah, and it's really hard to understand, but agriculture can be simple. Yeah, and for me, is the most important point is when you make the step in another direction, it has to be profitable. This is the most important. It's not fun. Let's say you cannot produce a pound of pig, or you cannot make a fantasy product for a small group. We have to fix the soil, and only farmers can fix the soil. Nobody else can fix the soil. Yeah, and it's in our hand to fix it. And what I see, when you know the guys with compost tea or compost extract, when they talk about this, when somebody is here in this round has 2,000 or more acres, and I come with the compost tea idea and tell him, oh, take a bucket, small bucket, and mix the compost tea. They say, no, sorry, I will never go this way. It has to be, we make a setup to put over 800 liters of compost extract on a field in one spraying time. And you see a really big jump when you bring so much biology on the field with a little bit of food. Yeah, yeah. And
Thomas, can I ask you another question here?
Yeah, please.
How many tons of compost do you get per pen of, say, 70 pigs?
Actually, with one pig, you have 1,000 kilograms of shit. They produce 1,000 kilograms, around 1,000. It's up to you. I like to put more in, yeah. But with 110, you I made the calculation with Greg. With a compost extract, you can have enough compost for 2,500 hectares. Yeah.
Okay, good.
For 800 liters of compost extract.
Wow, that's a lot.
Yeah.
That's good. Okay, Justin has a question here. What is your composting process used to make the compost fungal dominant?
Oh, it's pretty easy. It's pretty easy. This stuff is, the process is this. You start with a pen and put a lot of wood chips in. Wood chips, 50% of wood chips into the pen, in the bottom. And you feed them silo and grass and everything. And when you're finished with the first pen, you make your compost pile and you screen the wood chips out. And this wood chips, you take it to the site. We will show some pictures next time. And I showed you this, Cindy, I showed you already some clips. Maybe you can share this in this group. It's not a secret to understand, to save the wood chips, to put the wood chips to the next pen. Always use and let's say you use only for number, you use for the first picks 10 tons of wood chips. And the next time you need only 3 tons because you have the old ones, you put the old ones with it. And the fungi will grow and go better and better and better. I will show you the numbers from a bachelor work. And we, after 6 times, we made 8 times more fungi in the compost pile because we screen it and we put the old fungi back to the new compost pile. Yeah.
Okay. And then, another question then, do you add any extra ingredients to the compost other than what was in the pig pen?
No. You can, let's say you go to your forest and you find some fungi, and when you put the fungi into your pig pen, it stays forever. Maybe you're too crazy and go with a temperature too high, that's your problem, but the fungi will stay forever. Okay. You can make so much diversity in your compost pile with the pigs. It's unimaginable what the pigs can do when you see not the meat production. The pigs are a tool to produce high quality compost. Yeah. Okay.
Another comment, I used to work, this is from Sherry. I used to work in a commercial hog barn with concrete floors, 10 pigs per pen, no room to move, never seen the sun, no grass on their hooves. Your pigs look much happier, more defined muscle lines, overall better looking pigs. There you go.
Thank you.
And then another question.
It's Cindy, and it's when somebody say, oh, we cannot do it. Start with one pen, with one. And after the hardest step, when somebody has built a brand new barn, animal welfare barn, and they go to this kind of pig fattening, it's a really big step. Yeah.
Good. And then can it be implemented with cows or other livestock using cow manure, or is it the mixing of the products with the pigs?
Oh, we put some horse on one farm. He gets some horse. It's, you know, with the horses, it's more straw. Yeah, you can put the horse shit to the pigs. They will mix it up.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good.
And put some cover crops. When you have cover crops, the cover crop mix are maybe expensive. It's not a problem. When you use something twice, it's less money. Yeah.
Okay.
The cover crops grow. You cut the cover crops to the pigs. You get a little bit green. The diversity gets in the compost. And when you think, oh, maybe my pigs need a little bit more mixing, you are not satisfied with the bedding, and we tried it already here, and take a shovel of grain into the pen. They will mix it up pretty soon. Yeah, the whole stuff. And we put lime to the pan. We would put stone meal to the pan. Everything goes first to the pigs, after that to the field. Yeah. Next one.
How many pigs per acre? If one pig gives a ton of then would you use that for 1 acre, 2 acres, 10 acres? How many, you kind of touched on that. How many acres could you do with a pen full of compost?
It's up to you. It's up to you. Okay. Actually, my advice here with this high quality compost is maybe 3 tons when you spread it right away. With a compost extract, you know the advice. You can make with one pen, you can make 2,500 hectares of to activate the biology. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Are you using the screened compost to produce compost extract, or is it applied solid?
No, it's screened. Everything is screened. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. And then you use that to create the extract, but you can also put the compost out in solid form as well.
Yeah, you can do it because we have enough. When you have enough, how many pens do you have already? 10? 9. It's how much? $100, 800 tons. Yeah, in a year he has. In a year he has. The Hoopmans has 2,000 tons of pig manure, of pig compost. Yeah, and it's up to you how fast you will go with the repairing of your soil. Yeah. And everybody talks, oh, we have to bring the biology back. And my question was how we can bring it fast back, and not, oh, maybe we need 10 years or more. Yeah. Mm-hmm. And you have seen, we will show next time the spraying mistakes, what we made. Yeah. And it was only a double application of compost extract. And I know how it works, the compost extract, how the biology works, but it was another game for me and another picture. When I see this spraying mistakes, it was double in height, and the volume of mass of the cover crops was unbelievable, really. And it's only the biology. It's not the the stuff, the snake oil what you can buy, yeah, it's only the rock phosphate. Take it simple: rock phosphate, triacid calcium, a little bit of molasses, fish, milk, fresh milk. That's it. And the biology. That's it.
Yep.
Yeah.
Good. Okay, we'll take one more question, Thomas, and then we're going to set everybody free. How well do crops grow in the pig pen area in subsequent years? Are there any issues with excess nutrient loading or compaction?
No, nothing. We have no nutrients loading or something. No, nothing. Because the wood chips grab the nutrients. That's first. And let's say it comes a lot of rain. We had the last days a little bit more rain. It's a little bit muddy, yeah, but no problem. One day is dry. The pen is already dry because the wood chips let go the water into the soil. You have no problems with, this is what the guys are not understanding. We have no problems with water contamination or whatever you call it, but no problems with it. No.
Good.
Yeah.
All right. Well, we're 10 after 10. I promised everybody an hour, so we're good to go there. Thomas, I want to thank you so much. I can't wait for 2 weeks because I know there's more stuff coming. This is pretty exciting. So I want to thank everybody for coming on, bringing your coffee and getting introduced to this whole new concept of, using these guys to build some beautiful compost and in turn fix that soil. So thank you again, Thomas, and safe travels back to Germany, but that Austria looks beautiful. As soon as we get these vax passes gone, I'm coming over to visit.
Oh,
so.
Yeah,
we'll bring a team with us. So
but thank you, Cindy, that you put the stuff in three pieces, because when you put it in one pieces, it's mind-blowing, because nobody can understand that agriculture can be so easy and so fast to repair the soil.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yep.
And it's for me to work with these farmers and that they take my advice and see what you can do with the biology in the soil. Yeah, we will show next time some results, some harvesting results, and I think, you will be pretty impressed of this. Yeah, thank you a lot. Bye.
Thanks, Thomas. Bye-bye. This has been recorded. Actually, I'll just shut that off.